So I've just turned up to a new build property, and for me, this is the way we need to go with new build houses. So I'm outside, obviously, and the builder, look, has put his own underfloor heating in. He's built us our own cupboard. Cylinder's going to go there. Look at this. This is brilliant. It's even give us a nice floor. Heat pumps going around the corner. But we can literally turn up and service this with like a maintenance key. This has got to be the future. Stay out of the house. Makes it so much easier. Well done, Mr. Builder.